Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, friends. If you're wondering what to do with your home now that the Christmas decorations are packed away, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring how to transition your farmhouse into a cozy winter haven that feels warm and inviting without the holiday specifics. We'll journey through every corner of your home, from the welcoming exterior to intimate bedroom retreats, focusing on that beautiful farmhouse aesthetic we all love. If you enjoy practical design tips and real-world inspiration, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our weekly design adventures. Don't forget to like this video and share your favorite winter decorating ideas in the comments below. Let's start where first impressions begin, your farmhouse facade. After removing Christmas lights and wreaths, embrace winter's natural beauty with simplicity. Consider a statement piece like a vintage wooden ladder leaning against your porch, displaying cozy plaid blankets or a galvanized metal bucket filled with evergreen branches. Paint your front door in classic farmhouse colors like soft sage, warm charcoal, or keep it crisp white. Add black metal lanterns flanking the entrance with battery-operated candles for those early winter evenings. The key is creating that timeless farmhouse charm through architectural elements and carefully chosen accents that celebrate the season's quieter beauty. Your entryway sets the tone for the entire home. Install a rustic coat rack with sturdy hooks in oil-rubbed bronze or matte black for hanging winter coats and scarves. Position a vintage wooden bench or a simple farmhouse-style storage bench with woven baskets underneath for shoe storage. Above the bench, hang a large antiqued mirror with a distressed wood frame to reflect light and create spaciousness. Layer a natural jute mat with a smaller patterned runner on top for texture and warmth. Add a ceramic bowl or vintage wooden tray on the bench for keys and small essentials, keeping everything organized yet beautifully curated in true farmhouse fashion. Now let's talk about those decorative elements that make your entryway special. Incorporate a galvanized metal wall organizer for mail and small items, adding both function and industrial farmhouse flair. Place a small potted eucalyptus or dried lavender bundle in a vintage pitcher on your console table. Consider adding a simple wooden sign with a warm winter greeting in elegant script lettering. The beauty of farmhouse design lies in its principle of form follows function. Everything should serve a purpose while looking effortlessly collected. Stick to a neutral color palette of whites, creams, warm grays, and natural wood tones, allowing textures to create visual interest throughout this hardworking space. The living room becomes your winter sanctuary, and it all starts with thoughtful furniture arrangement. Position your sofa and chairs to create an intimate conversation area, ideally facing your fireplace as the focal point. Choose slip-covered sofas in natural linen or cotton for that relaxed farmhouse vibe, layered with chunky knit throw blankets in cream, oatmeal, or soft gray. Add a reclaimed wood coffee table with a weathered finish, styled simply with a wooden dough bowl filled with pine cones or a stack of vintage books. Incorporate a mix of seating, perhaps a pair of vintage-inspired armchairs or a cozy oversized chair perfect for curling up with a good book on winter evenings. Here's where the magic happens, friends. Your fireplace mantel deserves special attention during the winter months. Start with a foundation piece, perhaps a large vintage window frame, antique mirror, or oversized botanical print in a simple wood frame centered above the mantel. Flank this with matching mercury glass or white ceramic candlesticks at varying heights. Layer in natural elements like eucalyptus garland, birch logs, or cotton stems in vintage crocks for organic texture. The principle of asymmetrical balance works beautifully here. Vary your heights and depths while maintaining visual weight on both sides. Keep the color story neutral and let texture do the talking for sophisticated winter charm. Transform your dining room into an inviting space for winter gatherings. A farmhouse dining table in reclaimed or distressed wood serves as your centerpiece. The more character, the better. Surround it with a mix of seating, Perhaps Windsor chairs, upholstered benches, or metal bistro-style chairs for collected charm. Overhead, a statement chandelier in black metal or aged wood adds architectural interest. For window treatments, choose simple linen curtains in natural tones that allow winter light to filter through softly. Position a rustic sideboard or buffet along one wall for storage and serving space, topped with vintage ironstone or white ceramic pieces that celebrate farmhouse simplicity. Your dining table deserves beautiful everyday styling that's practical yet inspiring. Create a simple centerpiece using a long wooden dough bowl filled with white pillar candles, pine cones, and fresh or faux greenery. Layer in vintage elements like antique candlesticks or small ceramic pitchers filled with dried flowers. Use a table runner in natural linen or burlap as your foundation, keeping place settings simple with white dishes and natural linen napkins. This approach, called layering, creates depth and interest while maintaining that effortless farmhouse aesthetic. Remember, the best tablescapes are those that invite conversation and connection, not so precious that you're afraid to use them daily. The farmhouse kitchen balances beauty with practicality perfectly. If you're working with existing cabinetry, consider painting upper cabinets in soft white or cream while keeping lowers in a complementary warm gray or sage green. This two-tone approach is quintessentially farmhouse. Display everyday dishes on open shelving in white ironstone or simple stoneware. Position your refrigerator as seamlessly as possible, perhaps with panel-ready doors if renovating. Your stove becomes a focal point. Consider a classic range in white or stainless with a simple subway tile backsplash. Add warmth with butcher block countertops, or choose timeless white marble or quartz with subtle veining for lasting appeal. Now for the delightful details that make your kitchen sing. Create a dedicated coffee station with a small vintage-inspired coffee machine on your counter, surrounded by ceramic mugs on hooks and a small wooden tray holding sugar and cream containers. Style your open shelving with intentional negative space. Group similar items together, mix in some greenery and vintage crocks, and add wooden cutting boards leaning against the wall for dimension. Install a pot rack or hang frequently used items from a mounted rail for both accessibility and visual interest. The farmhouse principle of everything in its place means combining beautiful storage solutions with everyday functionality, creating a kitchen that's as hardworking as it is beautiful. Your family room should feel like the ultimate cozy retreat for winter evenings. Arrange comfortable seating oriented toward your flat-screen TV, but keep the TV from dominating the space. Consider mounting it above a low console in reclaimed wood or positioning it within a built-in shelving unit painted in soft white. Choose a large sectional sofa in durable, family-friendly fabric like performance linen in neutral tones, layered with plush throw pillows in varying textures, cable knit, faux fur, and linen. Add a plush area rug in natural jute or a subtle pattern that grounds the seating area and provides warmth underfoot during cold winter months. The secret to a truly cozy family room lies in thoughtful layering. Drape chunky knit blankets over the sofa arm for easy access during movie nights. Position floor baskets in woven seagrass or wire mesh nearby to corral extra throws and pillows. Add ambient lighting with simple table lamps on side tables. Choose bases in ceramic, aged metal, or turned wood for farmhouse charm. Incorporate natural elements through a large potted fiddle leaf fig or eucalyptus branches in a vintage pitcher. The Scandinavian concept of Hygge, creating cozy contentment, perfectly aligns with farmhouse winter styling. It's about crafting spaces that invite you to slow down, relax, and enjoy the simple pleasures of the season. Even in a farmhouse aesthetic, we need functional workspaces. Choose a unique desk with character, perhaps a vintage farm table, a simple writing desk in reclaimed wood, or a wall-mounted floating desk to save space. Position it near a window for natural light, essential for productivity and mood during darker winter months. Add a comfortable vintage-inspired chair or a modern task chair in leather or linen. On your desk, keep a small unique desk clock in brass, wood, or vintage style as both functional timepiece and decorative element. Include a small vintage radio for background music while working, adding nostalgic charm to your productive space. Carve out a dedicated reading nook, your personal winter sanctuary. This could be a corner of your home office, bedroom, or living room. Start with a comfortable chair. Think oversized upholstered armchair, vintage wingback, or modern accent chair in boucle or linen fabric. Position it near a window with good natural light, adding a small side table within arm's reach for your tea or coffee. Include a floor lamp with adjustable arm for evening reading sessions. Layer in comfort with a chunky knit throw blanket and a plush pillow. Add a small bookshelf or stack of favorite books nearby, and perhaps a woven basket to hold your current reads. This dedicated space honors the slower pace of winter living. Your bedroom should be the ultimate retreat for winter rest. Center your space around a beautiful bed with a substantial headboard, upholstered linen, reclaimed wood planks, or painted shiplap all work wonderfully in farmhouse style. Dress the bed in layers: crisp white sheets, a cozy duvet in natural linen or cotton, and a vintage-inspired quilt at the foot. Add texture with Euro pillows, standard pillows, and decorative pillows in varying sizes and fabrics. Choose nightstands in weathered wood or painted finishes, topped with simple ceramic lamps. Keep the color palette soft and neutral. Whites, creams, warm grays, and natural wood tones create that serene, restful atmosphere essential for winter slumber. The details transform your bedroom from simple to sublime. Hang flowing linen curtains in white or natural tones for softness and privacy, while allowing winter light to filter through gently. Place a vintage wooden ladder against the wall to display cozy throw blankets. Add a cozy area rug beside the bed. Natural jute layered with a smaller sheepskin or a plush runner creates warmth underfoot on cold mornings. On your dresser, keep styling minimal. A vintage wooden tray with a small plant, a beautiful candle, and perhaps a simple mirror. The goal is creating a clutter-free sanctuary that promotes rest and relaxation during the long winter season. Transform your bathroom into a spa-like retreat with farmhouse simplicity. If possible, incorporate a walk-in shower with subway tile in white or soft gray, featuring matte black or brushed nickel fixtures for contrast. At your wastafel, that's Dutch for sink, commonly used in design circles, choose a vessel sink or undermount style in white ceramic, paired with a reclaimed wood vanity or a painted cabinet in soft sage or warm gray. Add open shelving in natural wood or metal brackets for rolled towels in white or natural linen. Install a large frameless mirror or one with a simple wood frame to keep the space feeling open and bright even during darker winter months. Style your bathroom with spa-inspired simplicity. Use glass jars or ceramic containers to hold cotton balls, swabs, and bath salts. Functional storage that looks intentional. Place a small wooden tray on the counter holding everyday essentials like hand soap in a glass dispenser and a small potted succulent. Hang vintage-inspired hooks for robes and towels in matte black or oil-rubbed bronze. Add warmth with a natural fiber bath mat and consider a small wooden stool for extra towel storage or displaying a woven basket with washcloths. Include a white ceramic soap dish and perhaps a simple candle for those relaxing winter evening soaks. Simplicity and cleanliness reign supreme in farmhouse bathroom design. Your garage deserves farmhouse attention too. Install sturdy wall-mounted shelving in metal brackets with reclaimed wood shelves for organized storage of seasonal items, tools, and outdoor equipment. Use galvanized metal bins and vintage wooden crates for corralling smaller items while maintaining the aesthetic. Paint walls in a neutral color. White or light gray reflects light and makes the space feel cleaner and more organized. Add pegboard sections painted to match for hanging frequently used tools within easy reach. Position a simple wooden workbench along one wall for projects and potting plants. Even utilitarian spaces benefit from thoughtful organization and farmhouse styling. It's about creating beauty and function in every corner of your home. Don't forget your outdoor spaces. Your farmhouse patio can remain inviting even in winter. Arrange weather-resistant furniture, perhaps a collection of rocking chairs in classic white or natural wood, or a simple porch swing with outdoor cushions in weatherproof fabric. Add warmth with outdoor throw blankets stored in a galvanized metal tub. Position large planters with evergreen shrubs or winter-hardy plants like ornamental grasses for year-round interest. String simple cafe lights or hang lanterns with LED candles for ambience during early evening hours. Layer in vintage elements like antique watering cans or vintage signs. The goal is creating an extension of your indoor living space that celebrates winter's quieter beauty. Friends, we've journeyed through every space in your farmhouse, creating a cohesive winter sanctuary that celebrates this beautiful season. Remember, farmhouse style is about authenticity, simplicity, and creating spaces that nurture connection and comfort. You don't need to transform everything overnight. Start with one room, one corner, or even one vignette that speaks to you. The beauty of this aesthetic lies in its timeless appeal and accessible approach. Mix vintage finds with new pieces. Embrace imperfection, and let your personality shine through. If you found inspiration in today's tour, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for weekly design inspiration delivered straight to you. Share your farmhouse winter styling in the comments. I'd love to see what you create. Until next time, happy decorating!